Today we draw a round tube, this soft connection. Tensile datum. Change the radius of the circle to 10. Length 300 meters, thickness 1.5. Stretch cut. The radius of the circle is 3. Hold to edge 20. Draw another concentric circle with a radius of 2.8. Draw line. Trim excess lines. Exit sketch. For the outer ring, choose both sides to completely penetrate. Select array. Select this datum. Size 30. Then reverse. Quantity 10. Export to IGS format. Open the typesetting software. Import parts. What we need to deal with is select the small part, select similar graphs, use the curve editing tool, change it to align because the width difference of the concentric circles just now is 0.2. It is slightly larger than 0.2 here, so you can turn it into a line, modify the quantity according to the actual situation. Click to layout. Click export to export individually. After exporting, you can import the file into the machine for processing.